4. In the given figure, ABC and triangle ABD are such that AD is equals to BC, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Prove that BD is equals to AC. So you can see these two triangles ABC and triangle ABD. In these two triangles, AD is equals to BC is given, angle 1 is equals to 2 is given, and 3 is equals to 4 also given. We have to prove that this BD, side BD of triangle ABD and side AC of triangle ABC are equal. This we need to prove. Okay, so how can we prove this? You can see that these triangles ABC and ABD are on the common base AB. So one thing is given to us, that one side is common. Now we need some more facts to prove these triangles congruent. Then we can, by CPCT we can say that these sides are equal. So see, 1 is equals to 2 is given, 3 is equals to 4 is given. So if we add 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 4, we can get this angle DAB and angle CBA. Then our three facts will get. Then this side is already given. This side, this angle we can get by adding these two equal angles, and this side is common. So side, angle, side. Here also side, angle, side. When by SAS these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT we can say that BD is equals to AC. Okay, so this is a very simple question. So let's see how we prove this. So first of all we'll write given in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, AD is equals to BC is given, angle 1 is equals to 2 is given, angle 3 is equals to 4 is given. Okay, so to prove, we have to prove that BD is equals to AC. So proof, see how can we prove this? In triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So now see, in triangle ABC, BC is equals to AD. This is given to us. Okay, now we need one angle. Okay, that we'll write afterwards. So first write whatever is given. AB is equals to AB, common side. Now angle 1 is equals to 2 given, and angle 3 is equals to 4 given. If we add these two equations, what we will get? Angle 1 plus 3 is equals to angle 2 plus 4. Okay, so angle 1 plus 3 you can see in the figure, we will get DAB. So angle 1 plus 3 is DAB and 2 plus 4 CBA or ABC. Okay, so three facts we have got: side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle and side. By SAS these triangles are congruent. So we will write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by SAS congruency. Okay, now our triangles are congruent. So by CPCT is corresponding part of congruent triangles. CPCT is corresponding part of congruent triangles. By CPCT we can say that BD is equals to AC. 3 facts we have got, so we can write here, hence proved.